Seasonal Allergies Natural and Scientific Remedies for Long-Term Relief. Introduction. As spring awakens the world with blossoms and beauty, for millions it brings itchy eyes, sneezing fits, and runny noses. Welcome to seasonal allergy season, where nature's charm becomes a challenge. But what if nature could also offer the cure? Defeat allergies, naturally and scientifically. I'm Dr. Kausar, and today on Herbs and Hymns, we will explore the science behind seasonal allergies and uncover time-tested herbal and lifestyle remedies that soothe without side effects. What are seasonal allergies? Seasonal allergies, also called allergic rhinitis or hay fever, are immune system overreactions to airborne particles like pollen, mold spores, grass, dust, or pet dander, which are tiny flakes of dried saliva, skin, and hair from pets. Your body mistakes harmless particles as threats, triggering a cascade of inflammatory responses. Triggers can be ingested like wheat and peanuts, absorbed through the skin, plants or base metals, inhaled, mold or pollen, or received by injection, such as a penicillin jab. Sensitivity to allergens tends to be inherited. Key symptoms of allergic rhinitis: itching, sneezing, sore or irritated eyes, a runny nose and cough are all common symptoms of hay fever and other allergies. Scientific insight: histamines are the chemicals responsible for these symptoms. They dilate blood vessels, increase mucus production, and irritate nerve endings to alert your body of danger. According to a WHO estimate, 1 in 5 people suffer from seasonal allergies globally. Peak months: March to May, spring pollens, and August to October, ragweed in many regions. Modern treatments: benefits and limitations. Conventional treatments include antihistamines like cetirizine, loratadine, and intranasal corticosteroids like fluticasone. These provide symptomatic relief, but can cause drowsiness, dryness, and over time, diminishing effects. Additionally, they suppress the body's signals, rather than addressing the root immune imbalance. Root causes: why some people suffer more. Allergies tend to be worse in those with a genetic predisposition. B. Who take a high histamine diet, dairy products, processed food. Gut dysbiosis or leaky gut, vitamin D or magnesium deficiency, and E. Chronic inflammation or toxin load. Research in Nature Immunology suggests that gut health and immune tolerance play central roles in allergy development. This leads us to natural interventions. Nature's antihistamines or herbal remedies for allergies. 1. Stinging nettle, Urtica dioica, or Bichu booty in Hindi, literally called scorpion plant, due to its stinging hairs, is known as nature's antihistamine. Stinging nettle inhibits histamine receptors and blocks inflammation pathways. Studies in Plant Medica confirm its efficacy in reducing sneezing and nasal congestion. Take 300 mg freeze-dried capsule daily or nettle leaf tea twice daily. 2. Butterbur, Petasites hybridus, has no direct native name and is considered a Western herb, used in herbal practice for migraine prevention, allergy relief, and respiratory support. Butterbur root extract, PA-free version, is shown to be as effective as cetirizine in clinical trials, but without drowsiness. It works by blocking leukotrienes, which are powerful allergy mediators. Use: 50 mg standardized extract twice daily. Avoid raw butterbur, contains liver-toxic alkaloids. 3. Quercitin, the pigment that gives grapes their purple hue and puts the green in green tea, is a natural flavonoid, also found in onions, apples, berries, and kale. Quercitin stabilizes mast cells and prevents histamine release. It works synergistically with vitamin C. Use: 500 mg quercetin plus 500 mg vitamin C twice daily. Eyebright, Euphrasia officinalis, also called Ankh boonti, has been traditionally used to treat eye strain, conjunctivitis, and allergies. Research supports its anti-inflammatory action in conjunctivitis and eye irritation. Use Eyebright eye drops or tea compress for itchy eyes. 5. Turmeric and black pepper. Curcumin in turmeric reduces allergic inflammation. When paired with piperine in black pepper, absorption improves 20-fold. Golden milk, half teaspoon turmeric plus 1 pinch of black pepper in warm milk daily. 6. Ginkgo biloba, referred to as Smriti Vardak powder, renowned for its memory-boosting properties, is also an effective allergy fighter. Many natural supplements and immune modulators are used to combat allergy. 1. Probiotics, lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, improve gut integrity and reduce allergic sensitivity. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids are known to lower inflammation. Good sources are salmon, sardines, fresh tuna, and trout, also found in walnuts and flax seeds. You may take them in the form of fish oil 1000 milligrams per day, combined flaxseed oil 1 tablespoon a day, or flaxseed directly added to a salad dressing or a glass of juice, or blended into a smoothie. 3. Low levels of vitamin D are linked to more severe allergic rhinitis. 4. Local raw honey, controversial but anecdotal, may build tolerance to local pollens if taken daily. 5. Vitamin C, taken 500 milligrams a day, is known to have a natural antihistaminic effect. 500 milligrams a day is known to help control unpleasant hay fever symptoms. Lifestyle strategies and prevention. Healing from allergies is not just about remedies, but about restoring internal balance. These simple soothers may be tried. 1. To soothe red, itchy, swollen eyes, dampen a face washer with cool water and place it over your eyes. 2. Use saline nasal sprays to clear nasal passages and to keep them moisturized. Make one by dissolving half a teaspoon of salt in 250 milliliters of warm water. Fill a bulb syringe, lean over the sink, and gently squirt the saline into your nose. To quickly and easily relieve pain and encourage drainage of mucus, a hot compress to the sinuses can be applied. 2 to 3 drops of essential oils, eucalyptus, tea tree, or peppermint, into a bowl of steaming hot water, and the vapors inhaled help to clear congestion and also benefit with their antiseptic and antiviral properties. Protect yourself from hay fever symptoms. Shelter indoors before a thunderstorm and up to 3 hours afterwards, as storms are preceded by high humidity, which makes pollen grains swell, burst and release their irritating starch, triggering a hay fever attack. Protect your eyes. Wear face mask when danger of exposure to pollen. Keep your car windows closed and wash hair before going to bed to prevent transfer of dust and pollens to pillows. Deal with dust mites. They are minute flesh-eating insects invisible to naked eye. They inhabit carpets, curtains, and bedding. Allergies are caused by their faces. Cover your mattress, bed base, and pillows with special allergen repellent covers. Vacuum your carpets with vacuum cleaner that has a double bag and HEPA filter. Change sheets regularly and wash them in very hot water, at least 60 degrees centigrade, to kill the mites. Use a dehumidifier. It keeps the air dry and reduces mite population, which usually die when humidity levels fall below 45%. Reduce reactions to animal allergens. Strictly keep your pets out of your bedroom. Allergies can be triggered by their dead skin, dried saliva, dander, and fur. Give your pet a bath once a week. It can remove up to 85% of pet dander. Clear the air with A. Use of HEPA filters. B. Frequent thorough house clean. C. Air purifiers are said to filter out molecules that trigger hay fever and other allergies. D. Avoid places where molds can be found. Any obvious mold can be wiped away using a solution of diluted bleach. E. Make sure the tumble dryer's hose is properly sealed and that it vents outdoors. Detox the liver and gut with herbal teas, dandelion, burdock, and fermented foods. Avoid processed foods and dairy products during flare-ups. Practice Neti from Ayurveda. Nasya, apply sesame oil or anutila to nostrils. Neti, saline nasal rinse with neti pot. Mind-body techniques, regular yoga and pranayama to reduce stress-induced inflammation. Gentle outdoor walks in low pollen hours, early morning. Ayurvedic and Unani perspective. Ayurvedic view, Dushtavata plus Kapha vitiation. Herbs like haridra, turmeric, tulsi, yashtamadhu, licorice, and sitapaladi churna are used. Unani approach is to strengthen immune organs, tabiyat, purify blood, tadbir, and detoxify. Use of Sharbat Unnab, Joshanda, Habbakar, and Arkebadian is practiced. These systems focus not on just symptom relief, but the terrain that allows allergies to manifest. When to call the doctor? If a person's tongue, face, hands, or neck swell rapidly, they have difficulty in breathing, with or without wheezing, and rapidly develop urticaria or hives. These are signs of anaphylactic shock, a potentially fatal allergic reaction, for example to a bee sting, peanuts, or shellfish, and immediate medical help is required. Nature's sting can turn into nature's balm when you listen to its wisdom, both silent and calm. Don't just mask your body's cry, heal its soil, and let health multiply. If this video helped you breathe a little easier, give it a thumbs up, share it with a loved one, and subscribe. Thank you.